Hello everybody, today we are on Stockmore Village to see this stunning 4-bed, 2.5 bath family home. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Just put me back together and break me into pieces again. Just put me back together and break me into pieces again.
So if you want to see this fantastic property, or if you want to find out what your property is worth, please get in touch.
Satisfied.